Hello everyone, my name is Thomas. I'm an editor for Stick 1947. Here is episode new. Let's see.
1. Blake Lively and Gigi Hadid rock Deadpool and Wolverine. Inspired outfits to premiere. Blake Lively and Gigi Hadid captured attention at the New York City premiere of Deadpool and Wolverine on July 22, 2024. While the film's stars, Hugh Jackman and Ryan Reynolds, were present, Lively and Hadid stole the spotlight with their character-inspired outfits. Lively wore a shiny red jumpsuit reminiscent of Deadpool, while Hadid donned a strapless yellow tube top and matching skirt to represent Wolverine. The two posed together hand in hand on the red carpet, showcasing their stylish looks. 2. Ryan Reynolds jokes wife Blake Lively will divorce him if he makes a fourth Deadpool movie. Ryan Reynolds has confirmed that Deadpool and Wolverine will be the final film in the franchise, while also highlighting the exciting cameos featured in the movie. The announcement was made during the film's premiere afterparty in New York City on July 22, 2024. 3. Lindsay Lohan reunites with real-life Parent Trap Hallie. 26 years later, Lindsay Lohan recently reunited with Hallie Myers, the daughter of Parent Trap director Nancy Myers, who inspired Lohan's character Hallie Parker in the 1998 film. This reunion comes 26 years after the movie's release, which features Lohan playing identical twins Hallie and Annie. In a photo from the meetup, Lohan looked radiant in a blue and white floral dress, smiling brightly while shielding her eyes from the sun. 3. Beetlejuice 2 Feet, watch trailer, see the cast, release date and everything else to know the highly anticipated sequel to Tim Burton's 1988 film, Beetlejuice, titled Beetlejuice, is set to be released in 2024. The full trailer has been unveiled, generating excitement for the film. Jenna Ortega will portray the daughter of Winona Ryder's character, Lydia Dietz, who is reprising her role. Michael Keaton will return as Beetlejuice. The sequel marks over 30 years since the original film's release. 4. Longlegs movie. Everything you need to know about the viral horror movie, Longlegs, is a new horror movie from Neon, featuring Micah Monroe and Nicolas Cage. The film follows FBI agent Lee Harker, who possesses clairvoyant abilities, as he investigates a mysterious case involving an occultist serial killer known as Longlegs, who has eluded capture since the 1970s. The movie has gained attention for its intriguing plot and the unique role Cage plays. More details in the trailer are available from Hollywood Life. 5. Glenn Powell explains juggling his college degree with next movie, The Running Man. Glenn Powell, while promoting his new film, Twisters, shared in an interview that he is balancing his acting career with completing his undergraduate degree at the University of Texas at Austin. He mentioned that he will be attending classes remotely and will not be regularly attending in-person classes. Powell is set to shoot his next movie, The Running Man, in the fall, which will require him to be in London. 6. Movie, title, plot, cast, Donna Kelce cameo. And everything we know. The NFL and Hallmark are collaborating to create a holiday romance film inspired by the buzz surrounding the relationship between singer Taylor Swift and Kansas City Chiefs player Travis Kelce. The announcement comes after their public celebration following the Chiefs' victory in Super Bowl 58 on February 11, 2024. 7. Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce Hallmark movie, title, plot, cast, Donna Kelce cameo. And everything we know. The NFL and Hallmark are collaborating to create a holiday romance film inspired by the buzz surrounding the relationship between singer Taylor Swift and Kansas City Chiefs player Travis Kelce. The announcement comes after their public celebration following the Chiefs' victory in Super Bowl 58 on February 11, 2024. 8. Selena Gomez and Zoe Saldana star in Emilia Perez, Everything to Know. Selena Gomez, Zoe Saldana, and Carla Sofia Gaskin star in the upcoming film, Emilia Perez, directed by Jacques Audiard. The musical comedy is set to premiere in French cinemas on August 21, 2024, and will be available for streaming on Netflix and in theaters in the UK and the US on November 13, 2024. The film showcases the talents of Gomez and Saldana as they embrace their Latina heritage. 9. Why Paul Mescal replaced Spencer Treat Clark in Gladiator 2, as the character Lucius Paul Mescal is set to portray Lucius in Ridley Scott's sequel to Gladiator. Alongside a star-studded cast including Denzel Washington, Pedro Pascal, and Joseph Quinn. In the original 2000 film, Lucius was a child. But the sequel presents him as an adult who believes his mother, Lucilla, has been dead for 15 years. This has led to curiosity about the original actor, Spencer Treat Clark, who played Lucius as a child. Hollywood Life has compiled information regarding the casting for Gladiator 2. 10. We Live in Time, starring Andrew Garfield and Florence Pugh, trailer, release date. In More, the first trailer for a new A24 drama directed by John Crowley has been released, with Hollywood Life providing details about the film. The article features images of Andrew Garfield and Florence Pugh at the 95th Academy Awards and highlights Garfield's recent activities, including surfing in Malibu and discussions about his career, including a potential multi-movie deal with Marvel. 11. Shrek 5 Feet. Everything to know about the latest movie in the franchise. After more than a decade since Shrek Forever After, the beloved ogre is set to return in a new adventure. Shrek 5, the original Shrek, released in 2001, became a timeless classic, appealing to both children and adults, and spawned 3 sequels and spin-offs. With the last film released in 2010, fans can look forward to reuniting with Shrek, Donkey, Fiona, and Puss in Boots in this upcoming installment. 12. Anne Hathaway and Jessica Chastain debut trailer for thriller Mother's Instinct. Neon has released the official U.S. trailer for Mother's Instinct, a psychological thriller featuring Jessica Chastain and Anne Hathaway, which marks the directorial debut of French cinematographer Benoit Delhomme. The film explores the question of whether mother always knows best, as teased by the 2 Academy Award winners in a joint Instagram post. The movie was filmed in Union County, New Jersey, in May 2022. 13. Paul Mescal talks Gladiator 2 as poster and trailer debuts. Paul Mescal stars as Lucius Verus in the upcoming film Gladiator 2, set to release on November 22, 2024. The first poster and trailer have been released, showcasing intense battles featuring Mescal and Pedro Pascal, who plays General Marcus Acacius. The film, directed by Ridley Scott, also features Denzel Washington, Joseph Quinn, and Connie Nielsen, who reprises her role from the original 2000 film. 14. Brad Pitt's F1 movie unveils title, release date, and poster. Fans expressed disappointment with the title of Brad Pitt's upcoming Formula One movie, which was announced as F1. The film, produced by Apple Studios, is set to be released in U.S. theaters on June 27, 2025. The project reunites the team behind Top Gun: Maverick, including director Joseph Kosinski, writer Aaron Kruger, and producer Jerry Bruckheimer. The announcement was made during a media event at the F1 Grand Prix of Great Britain in Northampton, England.
Here we go.